Hey there! What's up, mamas? Hello, Naptime Warriors. This is Mama Shira, and welcome to DIY Mama Tribe. Welcome back if you've been here before. So glad to have you. Guys, today I am showing you a project that I've been working on for a while. It is my mini gym, which is located inside my craft lounge. So I'm just going to show you this one portion of the craft lounge. I do have a video coming up about how I cleaned out and organized the space, but right now I want to focus on the mini gym. And I know mini gym sounds like big and fancy, but I have super simple, super affordable equipment, and I just want to show you how I set it up in order to maximize the space. So let's get into it.
So here is the craft lounge, still in progress of being cleaned out. And this little section over here is where I want to set up all of my home exercise equipment. I have a gazelle. I think it's like a cross trainer thing. I don't know the name of that. Glider, that's it. A gazelle glider, my weights and stuff. So now I'm just seeing what's the best position for the gazelle. I kind of wanted it closer to the wall, but as you can see, it worked out better to turn it sideways like it is. And now I'm just going to set all my weights up. So I have a kettlebell, I have an old school shake weight, don't judge me, some small dumbbells, and I also have this weight that you can choose the amount of weight that you pick up. So you see it's color coded, it shows you the pounds as well as the kilos, and all the little parts fit into each other, and you use this pin to kind of position it at the color coded weight that you want to lift. That makes sense. So you put it all together that way, and then you choose what color you want to put your pin, and that's how much weight you're lifting. So for now, I'm just picking everything up to set it up. But yeah, that's a kind of space-saving way to have a bunch of weights available to you. This is a kit that I picked up, I don't know, 1,000 years ago, maybe on eBay, super old school, but it's the same sort of concept. It is a dumbbell set that allows you to put together different parts in order to lift a certain amount of weight. So that's the little key that it has for the parts. Each part is A, B, or C, or D. And whatever combination you choose, you screw those parts together, and that's how much weight you're lifting. So I have a lot of different ways to lift weights, and I'm just putting this set together in its little carrying case to put in the weights section of my mini gym. So kettlebell, shake weight, small dumbbells, larger dumbbells, all kinds of sizes that I could lift, all in that section together. Also, I love this book by Harley Pasternak. I picked it up a while back, 5 Factor Fitness. It has not only does it have different exercises, but it has a schedule. It shows you exactly how to do each movement. It shows you what to lift each day if you want to build muscle. I love that book for the resource that it is. And so I keep that next to my weights because I use it a lot. Guys, do you remember this from Shark Tank? The Simply Fit board, you stand on it and twist back and forth like a surfboard. That's going in my cardio section next to the gazelle glider. I don't know. It's sort of a fun thing to do sometimes. So now I pick up my yoga mat and it's like, oh man, I forgot I even had this other stuff. If anyone ordered like the old school Zumba, do you remember getting these things? Little shaker weights? How fun was that? So I'm just gonna put those are really lightweight weights. So I'm gonna put those over there anyway. And I want to set up my yoga mat. So for my stretches, I also use yoga blocks. If you've never used a yoga block when doing yoga, it helps you out a lot. And I have some resistance bands. So these nails were already on the wall in this room. And so I put them there. And I opted not to inflate my exercise ball because it just takes up so much space. So weights, resistance bands, yoga mat, yoga blocks, gazelle glider, and the Simply Fit board. I feel like I have everything I need if I was actually motivated to exercise. Everything but motivation is in this corner. But setting this up is good. It's really good for me. And don't forget the DVDs. I have some Hip Hop Abs, Yoga Booty Ballet, if anybody remembers that. I also have some Zumba in there somewhere, of course, because you saw I have the shaker weights. Got my DVD player, my TV. So it's all set. And guys, this is so simple. Such an easy little corner to set up in this room that I hope that, you're motivated to maybe set your own space up as well. I'll link whatever products I can find in the description bar. But yeah, love it.
So, pretty cool, right? I don't even know if those gazelles are still available. I'm sure there's an updated model maybe, but I got it super inexpensive. Every piece of equipment I got is so affordable, so easy to find. And yeah, you could just find a space in your home or piece of a room. It doesn't even have to be an entire room, where you can just have your equipment, your setup going and get your exercise on. All right, because we mamas got to take care of ourselves. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for me while you're at it. Bye.